fucking going on right now. Neighbors next door getting it live over here. It's going crazy. It's going crazy in town. You can see all the lights hovering over there. Shit's going crazy in town. They're popping it like crazy. 2018. Wow! Reload! It's fucking going crazy. The whole neighborhood's going live. It's like a military assault going on. We got the people over here freezing. It's fucking cold out here. I don't know what the fuck we're doing out here, but we're fucking doing it. It's live. Puros in town, baby. Here we go. Come on, can I get a fucking firework somewhere in this motherfucker? I see lights flickering like a motherfucker this way and that way and nothing right here in the local area. What the hell is going on? Somebody! Reload! Reload! Need some fucking fire. You hear the fucking firing going on. There it is. That's what I'm talking about. Hey, no competition tonight, man. It's cold. Look at that shit. Hear it. Listen to it. You can hear it in the background. That's how it sounded. And the rockets ring cloud. The bombs bursting in air.
You got the lighter weed.
Gave proof to the night that our flag was still there. Oh, it's not July the 4th, I know, but they say, can you start spreading gold banner? Yeah. Oh shit, I heard shit on this side. Yeah, wait for the land of the fucking, it's cold right now. For the land of the free. Incoming!